I'm just a piece of junk. Where are you taking me? I just want to stay here. Hello, McQueen. I caught you again. That cat doesn't need you anymore, does it, McQueen? But me, I need you. Good, very good. You're still useful, McQueen. Minions, take McQueen to my fabrication lab now. Oh, yes.
Oh, my God.
Hey, Gru. What are you gonna do to me now? Almost there. Push. My back. All right, then. Just one more step. We did it! This is perfect! My plan is finally coming together. Perfect!
Confidence burns like a roaring flame. Lightning McQueen is the name of the game. Storm ahead.
Head to the town. We have some matters to settle there. To save you all! Oh, God. Nani? Gru, he's back! And he brought Helicopter McQueen! Yay, yay, yay! Woohoo! Freedom! We did it! Yay! Oh, man! Woo! Freedom! Yay! Yay! We did it! Banana! All right, you sheep, nobody move. This is a robbery. Minions, take every bar of gold from the vault. Ah, my beautiful chaos. Dump the gold! It's too heavy! Crimes and greed will never end well.
Oh, yeah.
McQueen, 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 McQueen.